Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, I drove to a golf course pond, and since everyone's out of work, pretty much, not everyone, most, everyone's out golfing. Like, it is packed. Packed. Anyways, let's dive into today's video. So, I don't know who let me, but I downloaded the Wish app, and this little bait right here was 80 cents. And, you know, I bought it. I'm very curious. It's supposed to resemble a pike or a pickerel, which as a northern angler like myself, we have pike and pickerel everywhere. Mostly pickerel everywhere. But I was expecting it to be a lot bigger, and it's really light. Everything's in Chinese, so I don't know if it sinks or slow sinking, fast sinking. I'm gonna have to go with slow sinking. And I haven't opened it because I really wanted to wait. And I'm very curious to see how bad these hooks are. I mean, the bait is 80 cents. Yeah, let's open this up. Okay. Well, yeah, the hooks are pretty bad. The hooks are pretty bad. Yeah, okay. Well, all right, here's a little bit of a closer look for you guys. The hooks aren't horrible. They're not ideal, but they could be 10 times worse. But yeah, I have permission to fish here, but like I'm still scared that they're gonna be like, hey, can't fish here today. So we'll see how this goes. Mini swim bait, 80 cents. Let's do it. All right, let's do this. People are out there spending $100 on swim baits. And then there's me. There's fish busting everywhere at this pond. I just pull up and I'm seeing fish everywhere. Oh, that was a frog. Maybe they're frogs. I don't know. Oh yeah, big frog. That's a huge frog. Okay, maybe they're not fish. Maybe they're just big old frogs. All right, first cast. I know I need more line on this. Don't hate me. There's zero movement. No movement at all. This thing literally has no movement. Oh wait, the hooks were, okay. Hold on, let's try that again. If you work it like a jerk bait, it doesn't look bad. You kind of like pop it, more like a fluke, I guess you could say. But if you just straight retrieve it, this thing looks horrible. I mean, it was 80 cents and free shipping, so. Oh, there's frogs everywhere. If I get a bite on this thing, oh my god. I'm not even talking about a fish, I'm just talking about a bite. Oh my god, I had a fish! I had a fish! I had a bite. I had a bite. I had a bite. Oh my god. I didn't even expect that. The hooks didn't even penetrate it. Maybe I really need to just like yank these fish. I just wasn't expecting a bite. Okay, we're focused. Oh my god, that's the biggest frog I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god. I'm gonna get my big camera out so I can show you guys. He is right there. Look how massive. That's a big old frog. All right, I just want to see if the fish are biting. So I'm gonna try the jerk bait. All right, back to our 80-cent swim bait. Nothing on the jerk bait, which makes me nervous. I can do this. I'm just gonna grind a couple hours with it, and we're gonna catch fish because I'm way too determined. Oh my god! Oh my god! No, no, don't, no, 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 no. Oh my god, no, get in here! Look at the size of this gill! Look at this. Oh my god. I have my scale. Holy crap. I'm gonna go to the bridge real quick with this guy. Look at the size of this gill. Look at that. Holy crap. This is unreal. Well, I was just saying I'm gonna grind a couple hours and just try to catch a fish. I'm talking about bass, but this is the biggest bluegill. One of the biggest bluegills I've ever seen. And it's so built. Like, look at the girth on this thing. Holy crap. 6.5 ounces. You see that? That's a beast. Oh my God. It is not every day that you catch a bluegill that big. Have you ever put a bluegill on the scale? Because I have not. Oh my goodness. You ready, bud? Oh my God, this thing's massive. All right. No, go. There he goes. That's crazy. Okay, so we caught a fish. And now I really want to keep throwing this thing because it caught a fish. So I'm feeling a lot better. Oh, I had a bite. Oh my God, I just had a really good bite. He just took off and ran with it. These hooks. We might have gotten really lucky with that bluegill. Well, we completed our goal and we caught a fish on this thing, but I think it's time to actually try to figure this place out a little bit right now and get on a bass, because I would love to catch a bass right now. We're gonna try to jerkbait a little bit longer and then probably switch up to like a jig or something. And all right, so here's just a random assortment of tackle that I brought with me just in case that lure was actually bad. And yeah, 80-cent swim bait, not the best. So we have an EWG hook. Yep, and we got a tungsten weight. So we're gonna probably tie on a T-rig and pair it with a good old crack and crawl and just slow roll it on the bottom and see what happens. Just add water. Yes, sir. So this is, I believe this is the June bug. Yep, this is the June bug. So it's like a purple. Yeah, there we go. Just to show you guys a little better, it's like a purple. Perfect for dirty water, which is exactly what we were fishing. Fish on. Got him. Wow, I yanked him. Oh. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's a good freaking fish. That's like the biggest fish I think I've ever caught out of here, honestly. Let's go. I yoinked him. This fish wasn't going anywhere. Okay. Thank you for eating the crack and crawl. June bug. I don't know where to toss him. Alright, we're gonna have to toss him right here. I just saw him kick off. Alright, that makes me feel a little better. It's like the worst part of fishing here. Not many spots you can nicely release any fish. I casted over here like 50 times with that stupid 80-cent swim bait, and I kept getting hit, and it was probably him messing with me. But that was a pretty decent fish, probably just under 2 pounds. I'm gonna take one more cast, and then I'm gonna go back to the swim bait because I know that's the whole point. All right, get me one more fish, just one more fish, and I will be so happy. Wow, I just got slammed. My line just went my line just went crazy. I saw him hit it too. He didn't get it. It was probably a bluegill, honestly. I don't even care at this point. I'm gonna hit up my friends at Catch Go and tell them that this is it. I found the oh, got a fish. I was gonna say I was gonna hit my friends up at Catch Go. Oh my god, he came off. Oh, never mind. Yep. I was just joking. I was gonna say I'm gonna hit up my friends at Catch Go and tell them really great new swim bait design. Ha 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 ha. I know I should have changed out the hooks before I came fishing, but then it wouldn't be 80 cents, which would ruin the whole point. Okay, is this lure worth 80 cents? No, I think you would have better luck with a toothpick, probably better luck with paper towel. Lots of objects you could slap a hook on and it would be better than this. So, yeah, no, I don't recommend it. The paint job's not horrible. There's no action, and you guys saw it, like the hooks would get tangled up. This little line tie, it's just like the line tie's in the worst spot. There's so many objectives about this bait that I just, like, it looks like it would move pretty nice, right? No, not at all. There's no action. It literally goes in the water like needle straight, just like that. Like, just, it's brutal. We did try our best though. I mean, I fished for about 3 hours with that thing. Yeah, so many fish were lost. I had a decent amount of bites, I really did, but the hooks, man. I mean, bump up the price of the bait to at least like $1.50, $1.30 and put some good hooks on it. I don't know. If you guys are interested in this amazing bait, I'll leave it linked down below. Yeah, if you want to go check it out. Free shipping and everything. It's only 80 cents, so. It took about 3 months to come in, so be aware if you're interested in this, you know, necessity of a lure to have. Anyways, thank you guys so much for the view. Hope everyone's staying safe and healthy out there. But I'll catch you guys on the next episode, not using that lure and not losing so many fish. See you guys next time. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.